Morning, guys. We're here at 1,000 Trails Campground in southern Arizona. Hoping today to get some chores done, get to Los Algodones and get some meds for Doozer because they're way cheaper in Mexico. And hopefully get back in time that I can start cleaning all the desert dust out of the vehicle from being in quartzite and being in the desert for the last couple months. So come along for the ride. Well, hope we can get in at Los Algodones, get some meds for Doozer.
Me too. And have some tacos.
Have some lunch. Let's go, see what happens. Well, that was a bust. Again, getting into Mexico. I'm only able to fly in, being Canadian. So Amber was nice enough to go across and get Doozer's meds. I guess she's Doozer's drug mule. Time to clean out and dust out the back end of the vehicle. Not pretty dirty from being in the desert for a couple months. So we're gonna empty everything out. Get the bed out of here. Alright, got this cleaned up. Oh, that looks so much better. You want your bed back, buddy? Here you go. Another way. There you go. Perfect fit. I'm going to try and reorganize this a little better this time. I'm going to put the toilet paper and paper towels and such right at the end of this cupboard so I can access it from inside the van if I need toilet paper or paper towels instead of walking all the way around. The next thing I use the most, the Instant Pot. I'll make that accessible to the cupboard as well. I got all my random kitchen stuff at the front there. And I'm just going to start putting like solar panels and the bike stuff that I use from the back of the van all the time. Jackery solar panels. Put here. This is for the propane barbecue. Don't have one right now, but I'm saving this. It has the end for attaching to our tank underneath. The USB fan in there. A little clip on it. Thing's great in the summertime. Socket wrench set is good to have. My VeloSock bike cover that I'm just going to keep in this bag for now. Leveling blocks. Let's see if my bike stuff will fit right here. Perfect. Perfect. Always good to have extra antifreeze with you. I'll keep a bunch of rags and stuff back here for cleaning. I'll throw those all there. And then I can still fit my lawn chair and carpet in there. The laundromats are great for van life. I can get all my laundry done, including my bedding and Doozers, all in about an hour using multiple machines, and then you're out of there. It's great. Well, whether you live in a house, apartment, or a van, you always have chores to do. Might be a little easier or quicker in a van, but it's still all the same. That's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see more of, and I'll see you next time.